Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Wattpad account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Unfortunately, there is no way of doing this on the Wattpad mobile app, but it is possible to do it on a web browser. Open up a web browser and log in to your Wattpad account. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the homepage. Then tap on My Profile. Tap Got It under your coin balance to make it disappear. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on View Full Site. Now tap on your profile icon from the top right corner of the page. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on Close Account. Choose the reason as to why you are leaving Wattpad, then write in the text box. You can write anything really. Then check the checkbox that you are sure you want to delete your account. Fill in your password and then tap Close Account. Your Wattpad account will now be permanently deleted and you will be logged out of the app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Wattpad tips and tricks.